Sakal Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
Other requirements are utensils, grains, clarified butter, honey, gold, earth, water, the Igveda, Yajurveda and Samveda, and 4 priests to perform the sacrifice. To perform a sacrifice successfully, at least 4 expert priests are needed. 1 who can offer hota, 1 who can chant Ugata, 1 who can kindle the sacrificial fire without the aid of separate fire, Advayu, and 1 who can supervise, Brahma. Such sacrifices were conducted from the birth of Brahma, the first living creature, and were carried on till the reign of Maharaj Yudhishthir. But such expert Brahman priests are very rare in this age of corruption and quarrel, and therefore in the present age only the yagya of chanting the holy name of the Lord is recommended. The scriptures enjoin,